Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put on your slip covers for the IKEA outdoor setting cushions. Now, one thing I have to say straight off the bat is that every year IKEA changes the names of their cushions even though they stay pretty much exactly the same. So this setting that I have here is an Alholma setting, which apparently is no longer, well, officially is no longer carried in the catalog, but in fact it is the exact same dimensions as the Fröslund Duvholmen. And I think it has another name as well over the last couple of years. But so in my shop, you will see it is best just to select the style name of the cushion that you are trying to cover rather than go by any kind of measurements, because on the IKEA website, the measurements do vary a little bit year after year, even though it is the exact same product. So here I have my Alholma seat and my Alholma back pillow. And today I'm going to be putting on this slip cover, which I call Boho Gray, and you can buy this in my store. I will put a link in the description. And so my covers, I just want to mention, are made to fit a range of IKEA cushions. So they may not be exact replicas of the cushions themselves. As you can see, for example, on this pillow, it has a gusset, which means it has like an extra part in the middle that joins the back and the front. On my pillow cover, I have a knife edge, and this is because this pillow cover will fit this style and any other style that has the same dimensions without being an exact replica. So all I'm going to do is squeeze this together in half like this and then put it inside. Just like this, and zip it up. And I use an invisible zipper because I just love the streamlined look of those. Give it a bit of a shake and there we go. So you can see the cover is knife edge and the cushion underneath has a gusset. But I really love the finished version of this. And this cover will fit the Alholma style and some other cushions that are a little bit different in size, but the one cover will fit all of them perfectly fine. So now onto the seat. I also use an invisible zipper for the seat, and it is perfectly fine to put it over the original covers. You can see I've had this for a while, so you know it's pretty beat up, it's a little stained and dirty. I have had reports that people want to keep on the original covers because the interior part of it has started to disintegrate, and if you take off this cover, everything just falls apart. So that is totally fine. You can leave on your original cover, as I'm going to do, and all you're going to do is, same as before, you're going to squeeze it in half like this, and you are going to slip on the cover like this. And you're going to zip it up with the invisible zipper, which I'm going to put towards the back. And there you have it. This is a brand new outdoor setting just with a simple slip cover. So take a look at my shop. I have new designs every summer, and I hope you find something you like.